My name is Liz Miller, and I'm an elementary teacher, and I've been teaching for 39 years. My journey started with a heart murmur. For several years, they were watching it until it got to a point where it would damage my heart if I didn't have something done. Dr. White referred me to the TAVR team. When I entered the hospital, of course, I was nervous, and the Misty was wonderful. I knew exactly what was going on through every step of the way. The day after my procedure, I felt great. I really did. I didn't realize how tired I was until after the procedure, and every day I grew stronger and stronger. I was very thankful that God has given the gift of the TAVR to these doctors, and they were able to share their gift with everybody around here. And it was just a positive, all-around experience. When my grandchildren used to come spend a week with me in the summer, I couldn't keep up with them, but now they can't keep up with me.